Ever wondered why cleaning windows and mirrors can feel like such a chore? It's because they require special attention to ensure a streak-free, crystal-clear result. But with the right techniques and tools, it can be a breeze. Imagine this: a sparkling clean window or mirror, free from smudges, fingerprints, and streaks. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of window and mirror cleaning, and the dream will soon be a reality. The first step in this journey is gathering all the necessary tools. You'll need a bucket, a squeegee, a microfiber cloth, dish soap, distilled white vinegar, and water. Having everything within reach makes the process smoother and more efficient. Begin by filling the bucket with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. This solution will serve as the primary cleaning agent for windows and mirrors. Dip the microfiber cloth into the soapy water, wring out the excess, and wipe down the surface. This step removes the initial layer of dirt and grime. Next, it's time to bring out the squeegee. Start at the top of the window or mirror and drag the squeegee down in a straight line. Repeat this process, making sure to overlap the previous stroke slightly to prevent streaks. After each stroke, wipe the squeegee blade clean with a dry cloth to avoid redepositing dirt. Now, for stubborn stains and spots, distilled white vinegar comes into play. Mix equal parts vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle and spritz it onto the affected areas. Then, gently rub the spots with a clean microfiber cloth until they disappear. Vinegar's acidity breaks down tough spots and leaves your windows and mirrors gleaming. After you've removed all the spots, give the window or mirror one final wipe down with the squeegee. This step ensures you've removed all the cleaning solutions and leaves a streak-free finish. Finally, dry the edges and corners of the window or mirror with a clean, dry cloth. This step prevents water spots and ensures a flawless result. So, to recap, start by gathering all the necessary tools. Then, clean the window or mirror with a warm soapy water solution and a microfiber cloth. Use a squeegee to remove the soapy water, making sure to wipe it clean after each stroke. For stubborn spots, use a vinegar water solution and rub gently with a cloth. Finish off with a final squeegee wipe down and dry the edges with a clean cloth. With these steps, cleaning windows and mirrors becomes less of a chore and more of a satisfying task. So, the next time you're faced with a dirty window or mirror, remember these tips and enjoy the process. After all, nothing beats the satisfaction of seeing your reflection in a perfectly clean mirror or the world outside through a spotless window.